Makadzi Entertainment has released an official statement giving fans an update on the award-winning singer's health following her accident that happened on the 31st of December 2025, confirming that as of Saturday, 17 January 2026, Makadzi is still recovering at home and making steady progress. According to the statement, she went for a medical checkup in Polokwane on a Friday, 16 January, where doctors were reportedly pleased with how her recovery is going, bringing some relief to fans who have been deeply worried about her condition. The team also confirmed that a case was officially opened in Mokopane on the day of the accident, and despite still being in recovery, Makadzi managed to give a statement this week, showing just how strong and determined she is even during this difficult time. However, her team has made it very clear that she remains unavailable for bookings, as her main focus right now is fully healing and regaining her strength before returning to the stage. They went on to thank her fans for the overwhelming love, prayers and messages of support that continue to pour in from across South Africa and beyond, promising to keep the public updated on a recovery journey as she takes things one step at a time. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts down below, and I will see you on my next upload.